Welcome back to the channel, Coin Lovers. Today we're uncovering the top 3 most valuable Australian 50 cents coins worth big money in today's market. These coins may look ordinary in your pocket or coin jar, but rare dates, special issues, and unique minting features have made some incredibly valuable, with high-grade examples selling for thousands of dollars. Whether you've been collecting for years or just found an old coin, this video could be a game changer. Let's get started. First up, the Australian 50-cent 1980 coin in circulated condition, a classic decimal issue that continues to attract strong interest and confidently belongs in the discussion about coins that could make you a millionaire through patience, knowledge, and smart collecting. The year 1980 represents a confident stage in Australia's decimal currency era. By this time, the 50-cent coin had become a familiar and trusted part of daily transactions, making the 1980 issue a true reflection of Australian life during a period of economic stability and national growth. Minted by the Royal Australian Mint, the 1980 Australian 50-cent coin showcases reliable craftsmanship and durable design. Even decades later, circulated examples continue to display strong definition, highlighting the quality of minting from this era. One of the most striking and celebrated features of the Australian 50-cent coin is its 12-sided shape. This distinctive dodecagonal design instantly sets it apart from other coins and remains a major reason collectors are drawn to the series worldwide. The obverse of the 1980 coin features Queen Elizabeth II, a symbol of continuity and tradition. This portrait connects the coin to a long and respected history of Commonwealth coinage, adding depth and authority that collectors highly appreciate. On the reverse, the Australian coat of arms stands proudly, featuring the kangaroo and emu supporting the shield. This iconic national emblem gives the coin a timeless patriotic appeal and reinforces its strong cultural identity. The circulated color condition of the 1980 50-cent coin adds character and authenticity. Natural wear and toning developed through years of use give each coin a unique story, which many collectors actively seek. Circulated condition does not weaken this coin's appeal. Instead, it highlights genuine history and real-world use, making the coin feel alive and connected to the past. Although the 1980 50-cent coin was produced for everyday circulation, collector demand has grown steadily over the years. As more examples are secured in collections, available coins continue to attract increasing attention. Rarity in modern decimal coins is often driven by condition and sustained demand rather than age alone. Circulated examples that retain strong detail and balanced are becoming more desirable as time goes on. The Australian 50-cent series is one of the most popular collecting areas in Australian numismatics. The 1980 issue benefits greatly from this popularity, making it an important piece for collectors building strong date runs. In today's auction market, the Australian 50-cent 1980 coin shows consistent activity. Circulated examples continue to generate interest and achieve confident dollar values that reflect strong demand. Collectors appreciate this coin for its balance of accessibility and long-term potential. It remains recognizable and respected, yet its appeal continues to grow with time. The phrase "coins that could make you a millionaire" often starts with iconic coins that steadily gain demand. The 1980 50-cent coin fits this idea perfectly as a widely recognized and trusted collectible. Many collectors discover this coin in old collections, inherited change, or saved coins from past decades. Finding a clean circulated example is always an exciting moment for those who understand its value. One important tip for collectors is to preserve originality. Coins that have not been cleaned or altered retain stronger market appeal and are consistently preferred by serious buyers. Proper storage is essential for protecting value. Even circulated coins benefit from holders or albums that prevent further wear and preserve natural surfaces. Staying updated with auction results and collector discussions is highly beneficial. The 1980 Australian 50-cent coin frequently appears in conversations about solid and reliable Australian decimal collectibles. Its iconic shape and national symbolism give it appeal beyond Australia. International collectors increasingly recognize Australian coins for their bold designs and unique identity. As demand continues to rise, competition for attractive circulated examples increases. This ongoing interest strengthens the coin's position in the collector market year after year. The emotional connection many Australians have with the 50-cent coin adds another layer of desirability. Coins tied to everyday life often enjoy long-lasting popularity and respect. The 1980 issue stands as a confident representative of its era, capturing both historical significance and design strength in a single coin. Collectors focused on long-term growth appreciate coins with consistent recognition and demand. The Australian 50-cent 1980 coin offers exactly that balance. In conclusion, the Australian 50-cent 1980 coin in circulated condition is far more than everyday change. It is an iconic national coin, a highly demanded collector piece, and a strong presence in today's active auction market. For collectors seeking history, confidence, and exciting dollar value potential, this coin proudly stands as an important and rewarding part of Australian numismatic heritage. Next up, the commemorative Australian 50-cent 2001 coin in excellent condition. A remarkable modern issue that represents national unity and confidently stands among coins often discussed as having the potential to make collectors millionaires over time. The year 2001 was a landmark moment for Australia, marking the dawn of a new millennium. Coins issued during this period carry a special sense of transition and optimism, making them especially meaningful to collectors who value historical turning points captured in currency. Struck by the Royal Australian Mint, the 2001 commemorative 50-cent coin reflects the high minting standards of modern Australian coinage. Examples in excellent condition display sharp details, clean surfaces, and strong visual impact that immediately attract attention. The obverse of this coin features the fourth portrait of Queen Elizabeth II facing right, wearing the elegant Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. This portrait conveys dignity and continuity, anchoring the coin firmly within Australia's constitutional and numismatic tradition. Designed by the highly respected sculptor Ian Rank Broadley, the obverse carries the initials IRB. His work is internationally admired, and coins bearing his designs are consistently sought after by collectors who recognize artistic excellence. The obverse lettering Elizabeth II Australia 2001 is clear and well-balanced, reinforcing the coin's commemorative importance and its connection to the start of a new era. The reverse design proudly presents the Australian coat of arms, one of the most powerful national symbols ever placed on coinage. It immediately communicates authority, unity, and identity. At the center of the reverse is the shield depicting the emblems of the 6 Australian states, representing the foundation of the nation. This detailed symbolism adds depth and meaning that collectors truly appreciate. Flanking the shield are the red kangaroo and the emu, animals that cannot move backward, symbolizing progress and forward momentum. This symbolism resonates strongly with collectors who value purpose-driven design. Above the shield sits the 7-pointed Commonwealth star on a wreath, with each point representing the 6 states and 1 for the territories. This thoughtful detail reinforces the theme of unity across the entire nation. Below the design are sprays of golden wattle, Australia's national floral emblem, along with the scroll bearing the name Australia. This completes the design with balance and national pride. The excellent condition of this 2001 coin greatly enhances its desirability. Minimal wear allows all design elements to stand out clearly, giving collectors a piece that feels both historic and fresh. Clean surfaces and strong original luster elevate this coin beyond everyday circulation, placing it firmly in the category of high-quality modern collectibles. Although this coin was issued for circulation, collector demand has increased steadily over time. As more examples are secured in collections, top-condition coins become increasingly competitive in the market. Rarity in modern commemorative coins is often driven by condition and sustained interest. Excellent condition examples naturally rise in demand as fewer remain available. In today's auction market, the commemorative Australian 50-cent 2001 coin shows consistent activity. Strong bidding reflects confidence and recognition of its cultural and numismatic importance. Collectors appreciate this coin for its combination of symbolism, design strength, and historical timing. Few coins capture the spirit of a new millennium so clearly. One important tip for collectors is to preserve originality. Coins that have not been cleaned and retain their natural surfaces always command greater respect and value. Proper storage is essential for maintaining excellent condition. Protective holders or albums help ensure the coin continues to present at its best for years to come. Following auction trends and collector discussions helps reveal how interest continues to grow. The 2001 commemorative 50-cent coin frequently appears in conversations about standout modern Australian issues. Coins that could make you a millionaire often start as meaningful commemoratives with wide national appeal. This coin fits that profile with confidence, combining history, symbolism, and strong demand. Its bold imagery and nationally significant design ensure ongoing interest from both seasoned collectors and newcomers to the hobby. As international collectors increasingly recognize Australian coinage, issues like the 2001 commemorative 50-cent gain additional global attention and appreciation. The transition into a new millennium gives this coin lasting relevance, making it more than just a dated issue, but a marker of time itself. Each passing year adds to its historical weight, strengthening its position within Australian numismatic collections. The Australian 50-cent 2001 commemorative coin stands as a celebration of unity, identity, and forward vision, captured beautifully in metal. In conclusion, the commemorative Australian 50-cent 2001 coin in excellent condition is far more than spare change. It is a powerful national symbol, a highly demanded collector coin, and a strong presence in today's active auction market. For collectors seeking meaning, recognition, and exciting long-term dollar value potential, this coin proudly holds its place as an important piece of Australia's modern numismatic legacy. Next up, the Australian 50-cent 1978 coin in black circulated condition, a bold and character-rich decimal issue that continues to attract attention and confidently belongs in discussions about coins that could make you a millionaire through smart long-term collecting. The year 1978 represents a strong chapter in Australia's decimal currency story. By this time, the 50-cent coin was firmly established in everyday use, circulating widely across the country and becoming a familiar part of Australian life. Minted by the Royal Australian Mint, the 1978 Australian 50-cent coin reflects solid craftsmanship and reliable production standards. Even decades later, circulated examples continue to show strength in design and structure. One of the most iconic features of the Australian 50-cent coin is its distinctive 12-sided shape. This dodecagonal design immediately sets it apart from most world coinage and remains one of the main reasons collectors are drawn to the series. The obverse of the 1978 coin features Queen Elizabeth II, a portrait that represents continuity and tradition. This familiar image connects the coin to a long line of respected Australian and Commonwealth coin designs. On the reverse, the Australian coat of arms stands proudly, supported by the kangaroo and emu. This powerful national symbol gives the coin authority, identity, and timeless appeal. The black circulated color condition adds depth and personality to the 1978 coin. Natural toning developed through years of use gives the coin a bold appearance that many collectors actively seek. Circulated condition does not reduce this coin's importance. Instead, it highlights authenticity and real-world history, making each piece feel like a genuine survivor of its era. Although the 1978 50-cent coin was produced for everyday circulation, collector demand has steadily grown over time. As interest in Australian decimal coins increases, this issue continues to gain recognition. Rarity in modern coins often develops through condition and demand rather than age alone. Circulated examples with strong detail and attractive toning are becoming increasingly desirable. The Australian 50-cent series is one of the most popular areas of Australian numismatics. The 1978 issue benefits greatly from this popularity, making it an important coin for collectors building date sets. In today's auction market, the Australian 50-cent 1978 coin shows consistent activity. Circulated examples regularly attract interest and achieve confident dollar values, reflecting strong demand. Collectors appreciate this coin for its balance of accessibility and long-term potential. It remains widely recognized while continuing to grow in collector appeal. The phrase, "coins that could make you a millionaire," often starts with iconic coins that steadily increase in demand. The 1978 50-cent coin fits this idea perfectly due to its recognizable design and growing popularity. Many collectors discover this coin in old collections, inherited change, or saved coins from the late 1970s. Finding a well-toned circulated example is always an exciting moment. One important tip for collectors is to preserve originality. Coins that retain their natural surfaces and have not been cleaned are consistently more desirable in the collector market. Proper storage plays a key role in maintaining appeal. Even circulated coins benefit from holders or albums that protect them from further wear. Keeping up with auction results and collector discussions is highly recommended. The 1978 Australian 50-cent coin frequently appears in conversations about solid Australian decimal collectibles. Its iconic shape and strong national symbolism give it appeal beyond Australia. International collectors increasingly recognize Australian coins for their bold and distinctive designs. As demand continues to grow, competition for attractive circulated examples becomes stronger. This sustained interest supports confidence in the coin's future desirability. The emotional connection many Australians have with the 50-cent coin adds another layer of value. Coins tied to everyday memories often enjoy long-lasting popularity. The 1978 issue stands proudly as a representative of its era, capturing both history and design strength in a single piece of metal. Collectors focused on long-term growth value coins with consistent recognition and strong demand. The Australian 50-cent 1978 coin offers exactly that combination. In conclusion, the Australian 50-cent 1978 coin in black circulated condition is far more than everyday change. It is an iconic national coin, a highly demanded collector piece, and a strong presence in today's active auction market. For collectors seeking history, confidence, and exciting dollar value potential, this coin proudly stands as an important and rewarding part of Australian numismatic heritage.